Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Predator 212 video. This is the third video from the ignition system or spark related video. This is going to be talking about just the spark plug. We'll briefly talk about it in case you came here not familiar with how to change a spark plug. You obviously want to do this when the engine's cold. This is your spark plug wire. It just pulls off like that. And your spark plug is right here. You can take a 13/16 spark plug socket or use the tool that comes with it to remove it. Get it on now. There it is. So the plug that comes in most of these engines are not very good from the factory. I mean, it's good enough for general purpose use, but I recommend upgrading it. It just seems like I've had trouble with the porcelain cracking, which can happen on any plug, and it just seems like these cheaper plugs foul out faster, and just like you can already see, it's not even a half hour, probably not even 20 minutes of runtime when that insulator's already starting to get carbon on it, which is not normal. Anytime you can upgrade a spark plug, they're cheap compared to other things, just go ahead and do it. So this is an LG brand one. I've seen Torch, all kinds of different brands. So I'm going to try to see if I got one in stock of what I recommend to put in this. If not, we're just going to be going by numbers. Alright, so this is the plug that came out of it, the LG brand. This is a common brand. A lot of people swear by Torch brand spark plugs, especially in 2-cycle engines. Seem like they hold up good. I recommend NGK spark plugs above any of them. And there is also another number that'll work. This is BP6ES. I'll put in a couple of different numbers up here. This is the one I've always used. This is out of another Predator 212 that I'd actually built, and we'll talk about in another video. The spark plugs are cheap. You can experiment with them. You know, some engines act different. Also, another good brand of spark plug is E3. They're less common now than they used to be, but they're still out there. It uses a different shape electrode on the bottom and gives you a different spark. The advantage with them, your spark is straight on and not from the side like this. So that's the argument on them, that you get more of a direct explosion instead of maybe scattering out then down towards the piston. I don't know. Also, another common trick to get a little bit better spark is to grind back the electrode here till it's about even with my fingernail. Then it does the same thing as what I was talking about. It exposes the spark from the top. You get more of a direct flame out towards the piston. And if you ever see the type that are dual, they look like this, like split fire, I kind of recommend those as well. This is my standard plug I use. I try to use NGK on everything. Just a brand I like. Champion also makes a good brand spark plug. But it seems like the newer style, or like overhead valve, small engines, the Champions just don't seem quite as good in them for some reason. And NGK seem like it outperforms them and holds up longer. So, it's my personal recommendation. If you got a particular brand, a spark plug you like, feel free to use it. Just make a note. Like I said, this is not the right spark plug for this particular engine. The threaded part is shorter on this, which in a pinch you could use a short thread plug out of one that uses the long thread, but you don't want to go the other way around. If you put a long plug in, something like this, or like an old flathead, your piston or valves can actually hit the spark plug. So you got to make sure that your thread length is the same. But anyway, I just want to make a quick video on that. I'm going to put the original plug back in this particular engine and this one back in the other one. I just want to get that out just to show you. Pretty much anything you put in it that's name brand is going to be an upgrade from what comes in it. So just consider that. You don't have to rush into it, but make it on your list. Maybe next time you do your oil change in it, you know, just pick up another spark plug for it. Take the number off of it, or take this number and either find this plug or cross this to another name brand. The spark plugs are very interchangeable once you get your number, once you have the actual part number that the engine calls for. That's just my personal opinion on it. So Video's a little longer than I was planning on, just talking about spark plugs. We'll be back on to some more Predator 212 stuff coming up, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.